For this video, we're going to be doing a very simple grounding technique where we'll be naming facts and observations about our immediate surroundings. And this can be helpful if you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, if you're having racing thoughts or just feeling kind of frantic or hectic. This can be helpful to just kind of slow down and put yourself in the room or wherever you are. So let's try it and see what you think. So to start, you're going to say your name, the day, and the time, and where you are. So I will demonstrate. My name is Jennifer. It is Thursday, and it is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm sitting in my office on a chair in the middle of the room. Okay, good. And then you can start to look around the room and make some observations. So some ideas are count the number of windows or doors in the room, identify all the things that are blue, or notice the weather. So there are 2 windows in this room, and I notice a cup that is blue and my shirt that is blue. And it's cloudy, but not raining, and a little bit cold outside. So as you do this, notice what's happening. If this is helping to kind of ground you in the moment, and what you're doing is giving your mind something else to focus on, which is what helps with stopping some of the racing thoughts. So then you can go further and notice how you're feeling or what you're thinking. And the trick with this that can be helpful is, instead of saying, I am anxious or I am lazy because I'm not working, is to see those things as feelings and thoughts that pass. So I'm having a feeling of anxiety. I'm having a thought that I'm lazy because I'm not working, etc., etc. So try that for yourself now with noticing a feeling or a thought that you have, and then really working to label that as a feeling or a thought and not as a definition of you as a person. And then you can continue with this exercise as long as it feels helpful. You can continue naming things around the room, noticing things with all of your 5 senses, or noticing feelings and thoughts as they come up, and really working to label them as a feeling and as a thought that will pass. And if you'd like, you can bring some breathing into it, just taking a breath once you feel a little bit more grounded, to really solidify that I'm here, I'm in the present, I am where I am, and not in my mind going a million miles an hour. So try it on your own, and I hope that it's helpful for those moments of feeling overwhelmed or anxious. Thanks for trying it with me today, and take care.